Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching Image Playground and making immediate choices that affect speed and privacy. First, make sure you granted files and camera access so the app can import and preview images. Without that, you'll hit permission errors. Next, sign in or create an account and pick an export folder and GPU preference. This matters because GPU acceleration speeds up rendering. Once done, you're ready to import your first image and move straight into the editing workspace. Now you import your image and configure the workspace so edits stay non-destructive. Drag your file in or use File Open, then set canvas size and DPI to match your output needs because resizing later can degrade quality. Enable layers and masks so you can isolate adjustments. Next, select a model or preset and dial strength and noise values. Use a low-resolution preview pass first to check composition quickly. Once the preview looks right, you can proceed to full-resolution process. To finish, export thoughtfully and verify results so your image meets expectations. Choose File Export and pick Format, Quality Level, and Color Profile. This determines file size and color accuracy for print or web. If you notice artifacts or odd color shifts, reduce the applied strength, rerun the render with a higher sample count, or switch to an alternate model. These steps resolve most issues. Make sure to save the session or export a project file so you can return and tweak layers without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.